Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm delighted to be back in the studio doing this video for you. And what I want to talk about today is how to make your ex chase you. And it's a topic that I love to talk about because most of the time in coaching sessions, I explain to clients that it's not about fighting to win your ex back. It's about positioning yourself in a way so that your ex can fight to win you back. Because you find yourself in a position of weakness where you're seeking their validation and where you are chasing them quite often after a breakup. And you take sole ownership and responsibility of that process as if it was your responsibility alone because you feel like you have everything to lose. But that is not true. The reality of it is that your ex has a lot to lose too. And your ex won't chase you until you believe that, until you are able to put your best quality traits and attributes forward, until you find yourself again and create a new identity independently of what may have happened during your relationship. And it's often a lot easier said than done, I understand. And that's why we do what we do. That's why we offer coaching sessions to help people navigate through that process. But it is possible. And it starts with valuing yourself. If you don't value yourself, it's not realistic to expect your significant other to value you. And so, really, what I'm asking you to do is to change your mindset. Stop fighting to prove yourself. Stop trying to get their attention or to desperately reestablish contact. And instead, focus on being your higher, better self. Focus on being your best self. The person that perhaps they fell in love with at the beginning of the relationship. Be true to your core values, to what you truly love to do. Because it's the only way to regain control. And it's the only way to not go crazy, quite frankly, after a breakup. And if you are in this mindset and if you are able to establish this shift in mindset and behavior and take action despite the fact that it's difficult, then amazing things start to happen. And getting an ex to chase you doesn't mean that they're going to do all the work and that they're going to reach out and they're going to beg and plead and be desperate. That's not the point here. The point is for them to start to invest again in rebuilding a relationship. That's all that we want. Don't try to alleviate or to soothe your ego or to try to get back at them. That's besides the point. What we want to do is to create a healthy, balanced relationship. And getting your ex to chase you means getting them to invest in building that new relationship with you. You've done it once before, at least, because I know that many of you go through multiple breakups with the one you love. Well, but it doesn't matter. Either way, whether it was the first breakup or you've gone through multiple breakups, we want to create a healthy dynamic where you are both independent and happy and in taking turns, basically, to invest in creating this new relationship. And I see clients who are able to make their ex chase them because they've shifted their mindset, because they've been patient, and because they value themselves and have identified what they're good at and focused on those quality traits and attributes in order to get there. The truth is that the process of getting an ex back is a very different process than being in a healthy relationship and maintaining that relationship going. Getting an ex back is a process of attraction, really. And so focusing on your quality traits and attributes, not being desperate, not being needy, not being apologetic, is the very essence of what I'm asking you to do here. Positioning yourself in a way where your ex can chase you. If you keep thinking about ways to do this, if that is your goal, surely you're going to be able to make it happen. It's just a question of time. and making sure that you have the right plan in place. And this is where we come in, and where I'd love to work with you on a one-to-one basis in the course of a private coaching session to help you get there. Either way, I hope that you'll learn something from this video and that you will take a step back and be patient in order to get to where you want to be. As always, thank you for tuning in. This is Coach Adrian coming at you live from Miami, Florida. And thank you. Thank you for all the support, the words of encouragement, and for your trust, as always. So take good care. Wishing you all the very best. Keep fighting the good fight. See you soon.